Inclement weather can bring down trees and power lines, damage utility equipment, and cause widespread power outages. Although EPUD's crews work around the clock to restore service when the power goes out, storm damage can sometimes take days to repair, leaving customers without power in the meantime. For some, generators provide an extra level of confidence during extended power outages. A generator can power heating systems, keep the refrigerator and freezer running, and charge cell phones and flashlights. They can also power medical support equipment and keep private wells and pumps running.
Whatever your reasons are for wanting a generator, EPUD's energy experts are here to help you choose the right one and use it safely.
Generator types and sizes. Large fixed generators can power an entire home. They are connected to building wiring and can turn on automatically during outages or through the use of a manual transfer switch. Installation of a fixed generator must be performed by a qualified electrician and is often subject to building code requirements. Portable generators are designed for use with appliances, devices, and systems that have power cords connected to them. These appliances can be plugged into outlets on the generator through the use of properly rated heavy-duty extension cords. Never plug a portable generator into your home's electrical system unless you use a transfer switch installed by a qualified electrician. Connecting a generator without a transfer switch can backfeed electricity to EPUD's system and create a life-threatening situation for line crews working to restore power. It can also cause a dangerous surge inside your home, strong enough to severely injure people in your home.
Every year, we see multiple fires, injuries, and even fatalities due to improper use of generators. Be safe, be smart, and be prepared.
A transfer switch is different from a main breaker. Throwing your main breaker does not make a positive disconnection between the home electric system and EPUD system, and they are known to fail. Using a professionally installed transfer switch is the only safe way to create a positive disconnection between the two electric systems so a generator can be used. Transfer switches can be automatic or manual, but they both deliver the same result: a positive disconnection that will allow your generator to provide power safely.
The right generator setup for you will depend on the appliances that you want to use when the power goes out, and whether or not you want the generator to start up automatically. Before buying, consider your appliances carefully. The bigger the generator that you'll need to buy, the more expensive it will be. And to that same effect, an automatic transfer switch is going to cost more than a manual transfer switch. You can find tips on selecting a generator and transfer switch on our website, or just give us a call.
Once you've selected your generator, read the instruction manual carefully and follow all recommended safety instructions. Remember the 4 most important rules for using a generator safely. Never use a generator inside your home, basement, or garage. Always place a generator outside in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. As an extra precaution, get a carbon monoxide monitor for your home. Never use an undersized extension cord. Size the extension cord to match your equipment, or get help choosing the right cords from an electrician or qualified supplier. Never use generators in rain or wet conditions. The generator must be properly grounded and located in a dry area. You must have dry hands and be standing in a dry area while operating it. Never refuel the generator while it's hot. Allow it to cool completely before refueling, and always keep a fully charged fire extinguisher nearby.
If you're still unsure which type of generator will work best for you, call us. We're happy to discuss the different options and help you make an informed decision.
To speak with EPUD's energy experts, call 541-746-1583 or email energyservices@epud.org.